Jai Hind and good morning, students. And today, in the chapter Electricity, I will be dealing with the Ohm's law, and it is very important topic of this chapter. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is related with the relation between potential and current. You know, potential means the work done by the electron moving from one point to another point. And the current that I have already discussed in the previous classes, the current is the rate of flow of charge. What happens when the potential is increased in a circuit? If the potential is increased, of course, the work done by 1 coulomb of charge is going to increase. It means electrons start doing more work. If the electrons are doing more work, then this work is converted into their increase in kinetic energy. Okay, and when the kinetic energy is increased, it means by the formula half mv square, mass of the electron is not going to increase, but the velocity of the electron is going to increase. But it means its magnitude increases. And if the kinetic energy of the electron is increasing, it means the number of electron passing through a cross section area in 1 second will be increased. And if the number of electron per second is increasing, it results in increase in current. Agree? It means if we are increasing the potential, the amount of current is also going to increase. But the condition is that the temperature should be constant. Because if the temperature of the conductor is increasing, it means what happens? The internal energy of the atom will start increasing and the resistance will be different. Here you can see that V is proportional to I, and if you are removing the sign of proportionality here, then you have to introduce a constant and it becomes V is equal to R into I, that we learn as V is equal to I into R. Okay? What is R here? R is definitely a proportionality constant, and it is defined as it is an obstacle in the path of flowing electron. When you move on the ground offers you a frictional force or not? Yes. In the same way, when the electrons have started from the negative terminal and are moving towards the positive terminal through a wire of resistance R, it means during that passage of time, they are having a certain friction, and that friction is offered, electrical friction you may say, and this friction is offered by the atoms of the material which are there. So resistance, it is an obstacle in the path of flowing electron. You may also learn as electrical friction. Okay, and the unit of resistance is ohm. Ohm is the unit of resistance, and this symbol omega is used as a symbol for unit of resistance. How will you define 1 ohm? 1 ohm means if you are applying the potential of 1 volt and you have connected a wire in the circuit, and that potential is taking the current of 1 ampere in the circuit, it means R is equal to V upon I, and 1 volt potential and 1 volt current, and it becomes 1 ohm. It means 1 ohm is defined as if a potential of 1 volt is applied across the terminal of the cell, and due to a wire it is taking 1 ampere current in the circuit, then of course the resistance of the wire connected in the circuit is of 1 ohm. Is that clear? Thank you. Here I am showing you the diagram of the Ohm's law. It is a circuit diagram. Here we have connected a cell of potential V, and as soon as the circuit is closed, what happens? Current starts moving from the positive terminal. Here ammeter has been connected. Ammeter I will be discussing later on. Okay, and this ammeter is connected in series, which measures the value of current in the circuit. And when this current comes here, there is a resistance of a value R here, and a potential meter or a voltmeter is connected with the parallel with the circuit, and in the parallel potential remains same. Here it will give you the value of potential, it will give you the value of current, and when you divide the potential by current, the value of resistance can be obtained. Suppose for an example, you have connected a potential of 2 volt and the current is ampere, 3 ampere. Suppose it means the resistance is equal to V upon I. It is 2 upon 3, around 0.6 ohm resistance. The value of wire is there. Is that clear? Around it is coming 0.6. Okay. Thank you.